welcome to our video. We are back with another video. And you know it's your girl Imani, and I got some. And my friend Julia, I got this one, and this feels amazing. And it's no more stickiness, and I'm just going to put glue in here, and let's see if it will work. Let's get into the video.
There's one. Yeah, but Maddie invited to a party. A party. She invited her to a party.
I'm going to do this.
Party.
Julia, I'm so sorry. Ewy. Yeah. I can't. It's a sponge, and Julia made it, and she didn't like it, so she gave it to me, and now I'm sorry, I got to see a slime. I just want to see. It's like 7. And guys, in the next video, I'm going to make some. I'm going to do a water challenge. I'll be right back. Just kidding. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please give this big thumbs up.